Animal Kingdom focus area related questions and answers. From this chapter, symmetry, diploblastic and triploblastic organization, coelom, phylum Porifera to phylum Echinodermata questions are discussed in this video. First question, name two organisms that comes under phylum Porifera. The answer is Cycon, Spongilla and Euspongia. Three answers are given. Next question, name a freshwater sponge. The answer is Spongilla. Fill in the blanks. Sea cucumber belongs to phylum Echinodermata given. Then sea anemone dash. The answer is Coelenterata or Cnidaria. Sponge water canal system is given. Starfish. The answer is water vascular system. Note it down. Now earthworm Nephridia is given. Tapeworm dash. The answer is flame cell. So you should find out the relationship between first two words. That is, the excretory organ of earthworm is given. So accordingly, you should complete the remaining answers also. If the question is cockroach, you should write Malpighian tubule as your answer. Annelids, coelomates, dash are pseudocoelomates. Aschelminthus are pseudocoelomates. Mollusks are coelomates, then Platyhelminthes dash. Platyhelminthes are acoelomates. That means they body cavity is absent in them. Now sponges are asymmetrical, coelentrates are radially symmetrical. If the question is arthropods, you should write bilaterally symmetrical. Earthworm, closed type circulatory system. Cockroach, open type of circulatory system they have. Now coelentrates are diploblastic. Then Platyhelminthes dash. The answer is triploblastic. That means they have three germ layers, ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Now name the cells that line the spongiocele. The answer is choanocytes. Name the cells in cnidarians which contain stinging capsules or nematocytes. The answer is cnidoblast or cnidocytes. Name the two basic body forms in cnidarians. The answer is polyp and medusa. What is the term used in cnidarians for alternation of generation? The answer is metagenesis. Write a few examples of phylum Coelenterata. The answer is hydra, jellyfish, physalia, obelia, sea anemone. You can write corals also. What is the function of comb plates in ctenophores? The answer is comb plate help in locomotion. Property of living organism to emit light, bioluminescence. Name two organisms that comes under phylum Platyhelminthes. Tapeworm, that is Taenia solium, liver fluke, Fasciola hepatica. Organisms coming under phylum Platyhelminthes are commonly called flatworms. Write an example of an organism that shows high regeneration capacity. The answer is Planaria. Planaria belongs to phylum Platyhelminthes. File-like rasping organ for feeding found in phylum Mollusca is called radula. This also is a very important question. Name the phylum in which the following organisms are categorized. So jellyfish, devilfish, starfish, limulus, liver fluke and leech are given in question. Jellyfish belongs to phylum Coelenterata, devilfish belongs to Mollusca, starfish Echinodermata, limulus Arthropoda, liver fluke belongs to phylum Platyhelminthes and leech belongs to phylum Annelida. Carefully note it down. Next group of organisms given: earthworm, hookworm, silkworm, roundworm, tapeworm and filarial worm. Earthworm belongs to phylum Annelida, hookworm Aschelminthus, silkworm Arthropoda, filarial worm Aschelminthus, roundworm again Aschelminthus. So carefully learn well all the questions and answers.